everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So you've been watching me for I guess the last couple of months. I have been doing the My Mini boxes by Beautometry. So you get one box each month and it has a bunch of different like stamping stuff or different nail art, nail polishes, different things in the box. And there's usually a theme every month, and this one I'm actually pretty excited about. Well, I've been excited about all of them, but this one in particular is mermaids, so that was definitely one that I was really looking forward to. So this is the My Mini box, July 2018, and it is mermaids. So I am really excited to open this box and share with you guys what is inside. If you haven't seen any of these videos, I will leave the links down below so you can kind of get an idea what comes in these boxes. And I'll leave a link to Beautometry, who actually puts the box together. But yeah, so definitely check them out if it's something that you're interested in. I am not sponsored, I buy these myself. It's just a great way to kind of like try different products and like get different things that you probably never could before, because a lot of this stuff is like international, so it's a little bit harder to get. So yeah, definitely check it out if it's something that you're into. So let's go ahead and see what's inside this box. So everything always comes nicely wrapped and protected. Alright, let's dig in. So if I can get this to stay. Alright, let's see. The first thing, it looks like a powder. Oh, and there's something else in that bag actually. All of these cute little charms. So they've got like starfish and little leaves and little shells and stuff like that. I don't usually end up using these types of things, but we'll see, maybe I will. They're really cute. Alright, let's see what this is. Oh, sorry, we should probably read this. Alright, so it says, everything to help you get your mermaid on. Enjoy our featured brand Sugar Bubbles from Brazil. Visit our Instagram at MyMiniBox for more info on this month's products. Nicole. So that is all of their info and stuff like that, so you can check them out. I will have to check out the Instagram. I usually do check out their Instagram, but find out more about Sugar Bubbles. I've heard of that brand, but I've never actually tried anything from them. So this is a powder. Ooh, it's kind of like a gold tinge to it. So this is a nail art powder. It looks like it's gonna be kind of shimmery gold, if you can see that. I can hold it properly so you can kind of see. Might make a neat mermaid mani. But you do have to use gel polish usually for these to work 100%, but maybe not with this one, I don't know. It looks like something probably from maybe, I don't know. It says number 3 on it. I don't know, and then there's that code. So I have no idea where this is from or what it's called, sorry guys. There's the first thing, so there's 2 things so far. And it looks like we've got nail polish in here. Let's see. Ooh, got another Hit the Bottle polish, and this one is actually full size. That is definitely a mermaid color. This one is called Peacock Shimmer, so that looks really nice. I am definitely going to be using that to stamp with. Very nice. It's got like a shimmer to it. I'm excited because I have been enjoying the bottle polishes that I have been receiving in these boxes so far. Alright, and it looks like we've got some stamping plates like we usually do. Oh, ooh, this really cute silicone brush, probably for the powder. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's a mermaid tail and it's like rainbow. I really like that. Very cute. You'll definitely be seeing me using that in my videos. Alright, let's see. Oh, got a bunch of stuff in here. Alright, let's go with this one. So this one is from Sugar Bubbles. So it's cute little mermaid plate. Definitely will be using this if it will focus. Sorry guys. This is Sugar Bubbles 062. That is super cute. I am looking forward to this mani already. Alright, and then we've got our Muyu London ones that we usually get in here. So we got the Sailor ones. This is Olive the Sailor. Oh, and that is cute too. So Sailor Collection number 18. So you kind of see all different stuff in there. Very cute. Definitely nail stamping plates that are up my alley for sure. And then this one. Very cool too. So this is the Sailor collection as well, and this is 09. Very cool. I am excited. So you got a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things in this box, so that's pretty sweet. Usually you get, I think, 5 to 6 or 7 products. I guess this is like a little one, but like 6 full products here. That's pretty good. All right, so I will definitely be doing a mermaid mani soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'm not sure when, but I really want to, so I will be doing one soon. I don't know if you guys want to see like a mani in these videos or do it in another video. I've been trying to figure out if I want to do that. I don't know if it'll get too long if I do a mani using all of the products. Let me know. Leave a comment down below if that's something that you're interested in, or would you rather see it in a separate video, so I kind of do 2 videos. Let me know. But yeah, so that is everything I have for you today. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.